Hey guys, Tylex here with the Alpha Wolf, with another Minealot server game. We're going to be doing paintball, and I'm punching this sign, it's not letting me go. Okay, there, I'm there. So yeah, we're just in this waiting room, and we're going to do a game together. Hopefully that not like last time where a bunch of other people joined, but ended up just killing each other. Just right click or something.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, okay. So you're actually viewing from his point of view and hearing from my point of view. So that's what's kind of weird. Hey, look, you can see them in their game.
Ooh, that's cool. What's up?
And so let us play in a little bit.
Wave.
Yeah, wave. Starts in 1 minute. So I guess we'll just jump around. And you can do whatever you want to, because I can't talk for his camera, because I don't know what his camera's doing.
Let me out. Game starts in 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Okay, we skipped through the time and more people came here, so yay, the game starts in 20 seconds. And I will
11,
destroy you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go! Oh, I'm on red team.
I'm on blue team.
Oh, I still can't move.
Yeah.
When you...
Go! Round started. Go, 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 go,
Not
go!
really sure where we are.
In the desert with snowballs.
That makes perfect sense.
Well, technically they're paintballs, but you know. Hey, look, I see that guy over there. Hey, I can see you. Yo, bro. Did I hit you?
Yeah, quite a few times.
Ah!
Ha, take that! You deserved it.
7 of 12. That
I have
stinks.
a buddy. We're gonna be...
So do we. We have a buddy too.
Yeah, right.
I has a buddy too. Ah, you fool! Look out! Here they come.
Dang it, I died.
I killed you and your buddy. Actually, no, I haven't killed your buddy. Now your buddy's dead. You're both dead.
Not for long.
I'm gonna die though. Dang it. I died.
Who's
You
surprised?
evil menace of magic.
You evil menace of magic.
Ah,
makes
shoot at
perfect
you. Die.
Oh, I hit you. Dang it.
My teammate hit you from underneath. Ah!
Artillery! Oh, this is boring. I'm going.
I can see your snowballs flying everywhere. One hit me. I don't want to hit him.
Oh, what the?
Ah, you're gonna kill me! You
I did
jerk!
kill you. Take that.
Okay, come on. We gotta really beat you this time. Come on, bro. Did you just throw a bomb?
No.
I saw the particles were all yellow. Red. That's kind of cool. Is there 4 of us in this game?
Yeah. I just beat up your teammate like a boss, though. With my buddy.
Ah, behind attack. You died.
No, I didn't.
Oh, never mind. That was your teammate who was attacking from behind.
You missed.
Too bad. Everyone's voting for the guy with the camera, aren't they? You guys are voting for him, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just because you're
banned.
annoyed of my annoying voice. Ah! You didn't see this coming, did
Dang
you?
it. I died.
Yes, you did.
Take that.
And guess who killed you? Ah, how'd you get up there?
That's not me. That's my teammate. Probably.
And now your teammate is dead.
No, he's not. I can see him.
I'm killing him right now.
How
Oh,
did I just die? Oh, I didn't. We won!
we lost! Stinkola.
You deserved that.
One more time?
Of course. 20 seconds. I'm gonna beat you just like I did before. Yeah.
I'm a creepy skeleton, dude. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
Where are we? Oh, we're in a castle, it looks like.
Yeah, it's black timer. Are you on my team?
I'm on red.
I'm blue.
Take that.
Dang it! I wanted you to be on
You're
my
gonna
team.
die just
Hey,
like you
I
did
know this map.
before.
There's a castle and there's a path you have to follow. You're on your castle. I'm on mine. I'm following the path, but I shouldn't tell you.
Yeah, you really shouldn't tell me where you are. That's not a good plan.
That doesn't matter. Even if I tell you, you'll still die. A gift? What is a gift?
I don't know.
Gift.
You got a gift. Ambush!
Ah!
Oh,
What was that gift thing I had?
I don't know, but I just accidentally hit my teammate.
You hit your teammate. You are on team blue.
Charge.
Am I on team blue? I never knew that. A red guy.
Dude, stop that. That's me.
That's you. I'm trying. Ah, the guy just popped up out of nowhere. Oh, come on.
Oh, I
I
died.
fail. Oh, you died,
Some
huh?
guy popped up and hit me from behind, and I thought he was you, so I didn't fight back, because I thought you couldn't hit me.
Sucker. Get up, get up,
Sucker.
get up.
You're the sucker.
Actually, no. I prefer
my
vegetables.
dude just fragged your dude. My dude's better.
I just ragged your dude.
No, you didn't.
I love how we're talking about our teammates, not ourselves.
Hey, my teammates are better than your teammates.
210 seconds left. Ah! Did you die?
No, but
Stinkola, why do I keep dying? I hit you like a million times.
you stink. That's why you died.
You're right, I do stink. Come on, Black Tiger, let's go fight him.
I died.
You
But
died.
I'm surprised. I mean, really.
I'm not surprised. You're so easy to kill.
Are we? Am I really? I'm super easy to kill, huh?
Yep.
You're gonna die.
You're gonna die
Just
too.
letting you know now.
Yeah!
You died again.
Nah.
What?
Yeesh.
Terrible guy.
I wish I had my precious computer back.
He missed.
Actually. Die!
What are you doing? No, this is not fair. Hey, I hit him.
Dang it.
They're trying to keep me contained. But I will not be contained!
I'm trying to keep you dead.
I noticed.
Did we hit you a bunch?
Oh my gosh!
Aha, you died.
Coming!
Oh, behind! Attacker from behind.
I killed Black Tiger. Yay!
Dang it. Why do we always die?
Because you fail.
Dang it, this chat is in the way of my shooting awesomeness. Shooting. You fool, you shouldn't have come so close. I killed your teammate.
I killed you.
Did we win? Did we win?
No, you died.
Did I win?
No, you died.
Wait, it says... Oh, I died completely.
Yes, you died completely. 'cause
I didn't know
lost.
you can die completely.
Oh,
I
God.
died. Haha, you
But I have one
died.
life left, so I'm not scared. I have 2
Sheesh.
lives left. Because you died completely. Ha 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 ha.
That really stunk.
I won. Because you're a lame-o. I'm kidding. Actually,
Well,
no, I'm not.
now I'm going to sing praises to my teammate. Ah, praises! Hey, that's my job to say that.
Hey, my dude fragged your dude. I think we won.
Your dude stinks.
Does
You all stink. You don't know the meaning of awesomeness.
Come on.
45 seconds left. Fragged Black Tiger. Who fragged my teammate? I'll
Yes, I
frag
did.
your face right off.
How did he get in there?
He died.
No, my red dude.
He died.
He did not die.
Yes, he did. He's going to die.
Dude, we are so
Why did he frag him
owned.
again? This stinks.
We're so owned.
He has 1 life left. You took our kingdom?
Yes.
This really stinks.
Yes, we did. We took your kingdom.
Sabotage. Sabotage. Sabotage.
10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We won!
Ah! We lost
Oh,
both
yeah.
times. Ah, punch the ground with anger. Punch.
Alright, you guys, so I guess that's the end for us today. So we're gonna see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed that.
Like, subscribe,
and
comment, and share.
whatever. See ya.